What's up, guys? It's Ronan and Connor again, and welcome to our 4th episode of Quarantine Edition.
Today we are going to show you guys examples of survival kits.
The first thing we're going to do today is show you 3 examples of store-bought survival kits.
Later on in the video, we are going to show you guys how to deploy a 4-person survival shelter, how to use a signaling streamer, and the effectiveness of a mirror.
Finally, we're going to show you guys how to build a small survival kit that can fit in this can. First, we're going to look at this small survival kit. Okay, there's these things for fire, making fires, a very small flat whistle to light fires, more that, sugar, a roll of duct tape, a small one, a really small compass, and an emergency blanket. Although this is a very nice survival kit, it should have a nice visual signal like a mirror.
Let's look at our next survival kit. So in here we have a flat sheet of plastic, or orange plastic. It can be used to build a shelter or a signal for help. This is a streamer used to signal for help, or tie a flashlight at the end of it and swirl it around in order for people to see you at night. And this is a whistle, and these are matches. And this is a face mask. Finally, a signaling mirror.
And now for the last store-bought survival kit. When you open it up, there is a light stick, yellow, some paracord, some fire starting. No, wait, not just fire starting. There's flint and steel, there's a whistle, there's... No, that's just the logo. There's some string, there is... No, that's not a string, that's a towel. Yeah, the towel that you put in water and then it comes out. And a candle, a roll of duct tape, a poncho, and a survival blanket. Just like this one, it should have a mirror or a streamer. One nice thing about this one is that the package can be helpful for visual signals.
So I'm going to show you guys what is inside my emergency kit. So here I have a compass, a poncho, some bandage, gauze, matches, signaling things, a towelette, some coffee for when you get thirsty, toilet paper, and some gum, my fire starting thing, some more toilet paper, a marker with duct tape around it, magnesium, matches, and a candle, some food right here, and my water purification stuff, and magnifying glass, and my whistle.
Now let's take a look at my emergency kit. So I have a poisonous plants card, I have some streamers, I have paracord, a wristband that also has a whistle and a compass, I have a compass, a carabiner, a knife, a whistle, a survival blanket, a mirror, some fishing supplies, a water filter, small first aid kit, and I have 2 kits that have coffee, gum, toilet paper, and sugar.
Comment down below who you think is more prepared for a survival situation.
Now we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to deploy a survival shelter in case of weather getting bad suddenly.
Alright.
Sit down. Yeah!
All right. This is better.
This is a really nice place. It's a, well, we already said, but it's a 4-person survival shelter. And you pull these orange things and just sit down on them.
Did you say orange or black?
No. To deploy this, you would pull down these black things and sit on them. Okay. This is really hard to keep it up if there's only 2 people.
Sorry. Okay. So, if you're a scout leader or a parent who is planning to go on an outing with your kids or scouts, you should bring one of these because it's really, really useful.
Oh my gosh, it's really overheating. Okay. So I'm just gonna, okay, wait. So we're sitting in this, we've been sitting in this for like a minute, and my back is like burning because my back's to the sun. Imagine how nice this would be to have it in the wintertime, because my back, we've only been in this for a minute and my back is really burning because it's up to the sun. And this would really keep in heat. Now we're going to show you a demonstration of how to use a signaling streamer at night and in day. This is what it looks like in a survival kit, but all I did was just take it out and attach it to a stick. For day, you're going to swing it around in the air to catch people's attention. Okay. And for night, you attach a chem light to the end of it. You break the chem light, but we're not going to do that. And you attach it to the end, and you do the same, but it would make light at the end of it, so people can still see you. The wind, okay. It's a little windy. We're trying to, okay, there. Ah. The wind is really not helping. Imagine the difference it would make of just having this in my hand and swinging it around in a big circle. So now we're gonna show you how strong a signaling mirror is, because Connor has went up on the hill and we're gonna try to find him with the mirror. I can see him. Yep. It wasn't that hard to find him because the light just shines right at us. Yep, we found him. Now let's review some things that might be important for your survival kit. Here's a face mask, a survival shelter, chem lights, a poncho, fire starting equipment, a mirror, a whistle, a survival blanket, and a strobe light.
A SOS receiver, some whistles, signaling panels, candles, mapping compasses, little bags, and this I made at my Wilderness Survival Merit Badge. It's a little stove. Now we're going to show you how to put together a simple small survival kit.
Okay, so first I would put in some really small matches.
Then I would put in a signaling streamer.
Next I would put in a small whistle.
Then I would put in a trash bag so you can use it for shelter.
Then I would put in some fishing supplies. Okay.
Oh, and then I would put in a spoon. A little spoon.
Then I would put in a mirror. It's gonna fit in. I'll make it. very small survival kit.
And usually we would put water purification tablets in here, but we don't have them here. As of today, we got a new logo for the channel. Comment down below and tell us what you think of it.
We hope today's episode was helpful for your outdoor adventures.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you would like to see next.
And goodbye.